Okay, it's time for our master bedroom and master bath reveal.
This has been our labor of love. A lot of work that we got done, and 1 year later.
Yeah, this has been 6 months in the making. So we took out all the carpeting that was
Inundated and
mauve,
oh,
and we had a single, like the single window in here.
added a slider door. Yep.
A slider. We put all new trim up in, new flooring.
Yep.
Moved
a couple walls.
Yep. Moved a wall out. How many?
About 4 or 5 feet. Two walls.
To extend the closet.
Make the closet bigger, and then also, since we did that, we can make the bathroom bigger.
Yeah, we moved the hot water heater.
Yep, no more hot water heater in the closet. That was, I still need to cut that open. I just wonder what the heck is inside that damn thing.
I
But
don't know.
we put a tankless hot water heater in on demand. It works really, really good.
Yeah, no complaints so far.
Yep.
Built a shower.
Built a walk-in
Built
shower.
The entire shower.
With the curb, and I got a video for all that, some installs on that. Put a soaker tub in there. Yep, now my lady can take a nice hot bath.
I had my maiden bath last
Yep, she took a bath. Wow, took a bath.
First time in a year.
I cooked like 4 sourdoughs, folded like 3 loads of laundry, chopped a load of firewood, and then she's just finally getting out of the bath.
Yeah.
She deserves it. Yep.
It's been a year.
Yep, she needed a good soak. Yeah. Oh.
Okay,
Well,
so should we take them in there and show
Yeah,
'em?
this is all of our hard work. This is what we put together, and we love it. We love the way it turned out.
Yeah. Let's go see.
Follow us. Okay, come on into our luxury master suite. So yeah, like we said, we put in a new slider door, all the new trim work, flooring, barn doors, our walk-in closet, his and hers, hers and his. Look at the size of this. Yep, got new lighting in here. I had to bump out this wall and this wall. They all went this way. Barn doors, check those out. Rows. Nice.
We have the piece that goes in this door. I gotta poly it. This is all blue pine too. I should put it there. We did like a fake beam up there too.
Aisle 4.
Here's the master.
Vanity, soaker tub, lighting, park fan.
Peter did the flooring, the shower. I did the walls and trim. Let's check out your shower.
Check out my shower.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Built this whole thing. Tile on the walls, mosaic on the floor. Got a little niche for all the shampoos. Yeah. Handheld. My wife told me what she wanted, and here we are.
It's absolutely amazing in here.
Looks good.
We love it. And this slider goes out to our wraparound deck in front. We're obviously getting snow today.
March.
But yeah, this is where we hang out in the summertime, and it's a west view, so the sun sets behind the mountains out there that you can't see today.
Deers running around out there, squeaks, owls all night long.
Yeah, we can hear him in the bedroom hooting and hollering. So,
Yeah, this is our luxury suite. My wife said she wanted a luxury suite. Told me how to do it, told me what she wanted.
don't mind the bed, the dogs are doing their thing.
Put it all together. Come on, bud. The other two are out in the truck. They're too big.
So, yeah, this is the master.
Yeah, this is what we're capable of doing. We're homesteaders.
All right, guys, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
See you next time.